We are a Canadian-owned and operated company, created the first of its kind in North America flaxseed cooking oil with a high smoke point.
They don't use any chemicals, they don't use any preservatives, no additives, so it's amazing. It's just completely natural. From a dietitian perspective, that's what we look for.
It also helps us to maintain at least 60% of omega-3s at its highest smoke point.
I really enjoy its depth and color. It's got a nice golden color to it, so when you're searing off seafood or protein, you tend to get a nicer caramelization on your food, which gives it yummier flavor.
It has a 482-degree smoke point, which is right there in the mix with some of the top oils being used today.
You absolutely need good fats on a daily basis. Flaxseed oil is actually 100% of a good fat.
Some studies may suggest that it reduces cholesterol and blood pressure. It also helps decrease inflammation. It helps release the oil in your skin to give you shinier hair and more of a glow to your skin.
If you visit the Alligga website, there are many recipes which I've developed which showcase the versatility of this oil.
Basically, we're creating foods to have a balanced and healthy lifestyle.